All right, ear relief wipes. Now, I have a dog that I gotta put medicine on him all the time because he has ear infection. He's a golden retriever. He has a lot of hair in his ear. He constantly gets ear infections, so I constantly have to be using these. And I hate to use napkins and other wipes and stuff like that. This is a perfect thing. Just they fit in your finger and you dispose of. So we're gonna use these today because it's a must for my dog. So let's go ahead and open it up and set them up, and you'll see how they look. And all you gotta do is just relieve them and clean it out. That's all you gotta do. Look how dirty they get. Look at that. Clean them out as much as you can. And this is easy with the actual finger. Look how dirty he has his ears. We're gonna do both, all right? So they don't like it. It's okay. This dog doesn't like it at all, but it's not his choice. So look how dirty they are. You just grab it, just go like this, clean it all around. It's much easier than getting any napkins or stuff like that and wipes, other wipes. This is perfect. You use your fingers. See? Use your fingers and that's it. Now we are going to put medicine on one of them. So we have Crypto here, and he gets dirty ears, but it's easy for him. Just, I'm not doing anything hard, just massaging his ear. Cleaning his ears. He has dirty ears. Look how dirty it is. That's dirty.